sound. There we go. Okay. YouTube. All right.
Looks like we're kicking things up a notch.
All right. Let me see. Let these ads pass by.
With 7 drive modes, these
Don't you remember how I used to like being on the line? I dreamed you dreamed of me calling out my name. Is it worth the price? Cut cover, take that test. Hold courage to your chest. Don't wanna wait for you. Don't wanna have to lose all that I've compromised to feel another high. I got to keep it down tonight. And oh, I was a king under your control. Oh, I wanna feel like you let me go. I had to carry on. No love, no admission. Take this
Ladies
from
and
me
gentlemen,
tonight.
TradeCaster.com, baby. What he do, what he's up. Guys, this is going to be an action-packed day. Turn Tuesday, turbulence, whatever you want to call it, baby. We're here, we're packing it in. Got the music playing, we got the buddies flowing. This is going to be a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been through my buddy Angel. He's going to be going over himself and trades everything right after this market opens. So what's up, Dark Trader Spy Club? What's up, all you fine folks, ladies and gentlemen? Let's turn the music down and get into it, baby. So there we go. So, what is up, Angel? How you doing today, man?
Doing good, bro. How are you?
Pretty good, man. Can't complain, dog. So yeah, woke up a little bit later on the day, but you know, feeling fresh, feeling a little good, baby. So guys, if you guys don't know,
Yeah.
Angel, he's gonna do a little brief explanation after this market open, just because we only have like 1 minute till market open here. But yeah, man. So a little brief summary, man. We went to high school together. You know, he's probably a little bit better than me at soccer. Just gonna put that out there. So yep. I can't dribble a ball to save my life. So he got that on me definitely. But yeah, dude, been picking up some trade for a few years. So yeah, he's here and he's with us, man. So it's a good thing. All right. So are you watching anything going into market open?
Usually what I watch every morning, market open, first thing I open is SPY,
Okay.
because that's my favorite.
Yeah.
That's my favorite ticker I like to trade.
There we go.
And then once I look at SPY, I'll go over to QQQ and I'll look at some other normal stocks like Apple, Tesla,
Right.
anything that has to do with the NASDAQ market.
Yep.
Right now, let me see. Right now, I'm opening up SPY. I know we had FOMC last week on Wednesday, and it killed the market, right?
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, plus all the stuff that's been going on with the terrorist stuff on Friday last week, that also killed the market as well. And I know there was news today about this boat that crashed on the Manhattan Bridge, I think it was.
Okay.
Or what bridge was it? You can search that up. There was news on that.
Crash on bridge.
Yeah, there's like this boat that crashed on a bridge. I think it was this morning.
What is it? Part of Baltimore, France, Scott Key Bridge.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, the Baltimore Bridge. Yeah.
So yeah, there.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
I see what you're saying there. All right. So you're basically watching for news-based events to come out, and then you play off of those.
Yeah, well, first, I don't like to play news. I let news play out, right? And then I mainly myself, I like to trade off price action. That's what I like to do. That's my main analysis, and that's the way I trade is price action.
Right.
That's what I like to trade based off. But whenever it comes to news, FOMC, I never trade those things. It's too risky. It's like kind of like gambling your money.
Right.
Obviously, there's like ways to play it, right?
Right.
Like,
Yep.
yeah, but me personally, I don't like to play those events because it's like, to me, it's like gambling. It's too risky. So I just let them play out, and then I'll take a trade if I see an opportunity after, or I wait to see how the market reacts first.
Right, right. Well, that's awesome. That's good to hear, bro. And I mean, that's really it, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys don't have a set game plan going into CPI, going to FOMC, PPI, whatever the big news-based event may be, 9 times out of 10 you will lose your money. So you guys do have to be cautious always going into that. But that's great to hear that you are a more or less a price action trader. So yeah, I more or less trade EMAs. You know what I'm saying? I more or less trade. Yeah, when it comes down to those things, my number one strategy is always with these EMAs, and that's basically the only strategy I trade these days. And
Yeah.
it's yeah, I mean I love it. And if it sets itself up today, which I mean it may, it looks like it may, we'll probably get a couple trades in. So looks to be good. How do you feel about these all-time highs, bro? 521 on SPY. All-time high is, let's check it out here, dude. All-time high is 524. So that's pretty crazy, man. What's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. The market's been rallying for the past couple months to the upside. The market's been very, very bullish, and I don't know when it's gonna stop. I don't know what's gonna happen with the rates and FOMC and all that stuff going on in the coming weeks. But it's actually kind of crazy. We're basically watching history made in front of our eyes with the market.
Literally, isn't that insane? Yeah, we're literally watching just straight another, like, this could be it, this could be the all-time high for the next, I don't know, 5-6 years, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
This could be the all-time
yeah,
high for
exactly.
whoever knows. So that's crazy
Yeah.
that we're up here, but that's also a scary thing when investing. Obviously, I tell people
Yeah.
always to be cautious when buying at these highs, but to very
Yeah.
much be cautious when you're, buying cryptos at the all-time highs, when you're buying whatever it may be,
Yeah.
right? Whether you're buying a bond,
Yeah.
whatever it is. So, yeah, dude, it's definitely
When
been a wild ride, bro. And I remember
Yeah.
I was holding shares at 360 on an ETF, basically like an ETF of the S&P. It was like a derivative of it. Oh, excuse me. There we go. It was like a derivative of it. And it was basically, it was at like $60 or whatever. Anyways, it moved exactly like the S&P, and I remember, so that was the equivalent of like 360. I started the DCA in all the way up until like 410, and then I sold at 430, thinking that was gonna be the high, bro. Well, let me tell you, let me tell you, my friend, I was a bit wrong, my boy. So, yeah, dude. So we're still chilling out. So I am not in Bali right now, having a little refreshing mocha latte, with like some Venezuelan lady, serving me caviar, just because I sold a little bit too early. That's why, totally. So we are big chilling out.
Yeah, bro. One thing when it comes to wanting to invest long term, make sure you look at the charts in the higher time frames, like the daily, the weekly, the hourly, and it's not smart to buy at the top. Never buy at the top. Make sure you do your analysis on the charts, and whenever there's a nice pullback, then you can invest your money into there. Like, for example, Tesla. I know Tesla in the past few weeks has been at its very lowest over its history. Yeah. So Tesla is a very good investment because it's basically at its lowest. It had a major pullback. And when it comes to crypto, I do have a little bit of experience with crypto. I just started actually trading crypto futures for fun a couple weeks ago. And I've been experimenting with that every morning. I take trades when I'm at the gym sometimes. Because basically for futures and crypto, you can trade 24/7. It's not like the stock market. It's not open. It's not open only from 9:30 in the morning till 4 New York time. It's open 24/7 basically, and you can literally take trades all night or all day if you want. But it kind of gets a little bit addicting because because you can trade literally all day long. So sometimes you get out of hand and you want to take trades you're taking trades for hours.
Yeah, right.
But
6 p.m.
crypto. Yeah, for crypto, the bull run's here. Where the halving's coming up next month, in a couple of days, probably around April 18th, 23rd, somewhere around there. That's what I've been hearing. But the halving's coming up, which means there's probably going to be a major pullback, which then would be a very good opportunity for you to invest into altcoins, which could potentially 10x, 5x, 3x, 2x your money. So it's a very good opportunity coming up with crypto as well. Right now, crypto is basically at its all-time high. And right now I wouldn't say it's a very good time to invest since you're investing at the top, but you do your research. You can find altcoins out there that still have potential to 2x, 3x, 5x your money as well. But wait for the halving to occur, then you can invest into crypto.
Yeah, 100%, bro. And I agree, 100%. I mean, this halving coming up, it's going to be You know, 2018, I'm pretty sure there was one. What is that? 20 something maybe, and then like 2014.
Yeah, 20.
Yeah.
I think it was 2021. It's every 4 years. It's almost like a pattern.
Right.
This is like, if I'm not wrong, this is either the third or the fourth bull run in crypto history.
Right. And man, like I'm completely fine with it. I remember Bitcoin at 30,000, bro. I started the DCA with a very, very small amount. So I'm talking like hundreds of bucks. I just started to buy like a couple $100 here, $100 there. And I was like, dude, if I lose this money completely, I have no problem. Then it started to rip, run, and soar. It obviously like a penny stock going from $1 to $2. You know what I mean? You're in at 30K and it goes to 70K. I mean 60K. You know what I mean? You obviously double there. So I was chilling out. But then obviously this bull run up to 70 is just like mind-boggling. I was expecting to sell at the all-time high. You know what I mean? I was like, okay, we went up to the all-time high. We made double top or whatever that would be, triple top at this point, honestly. And then start to fall back down, right? But dude, I was boy, man. I've just been holding out. I'm like, I was wrong, dude. So bro, it's been,
this crypto market seems a little bit more corrupt now because, you know, more people have knowledge about crypto in the markets. More people invest this year, this bull run, as well as, I don't know if you've seen it, there's a lot of whales and countries and governments that are starting to invested into Bitcoin this year as well for this bull run, like BlackRock. And I know El Salvador's government president, he's heavy on Bitcoin as well. And there's many different governments and countries out there that are heavy on crypto, as well as other big corporations like BlackRock.
Right.
So this crypto market is a little bit corrupt, you know. Right. So
very much.
It could not end up playing as we've seen the past 3 other crypto bull runs, you know. It could be a little bit different this time, but you know, since if you see governments and huge corporations like BlackRock that basically control almost literally the economy, right? Because they own almost everything, right? If you see these major corporations and you see these governments starting to look towards and lean towards more of crypto and start getting interested in it and investing in it, that should give you a hint that crypto could have a bright future and it could play a very, very, very big part in society.
Yeah, bro. I mean, you had me at BlackRock, bro. I mean, you know, if you got people like that and companies like that make up a majority of even like real estate and most of the companies in America and stuff like that investing in it, they're not doing that to lose a couple bucks, right? They're doing it to take over a said market, and they're doing it to you know, try and control whatever as much as they can, right? So if they're going to come in and buy this Bitcoin up and they're trying to make a profit off of it as well, then Bitcoin 100,000 doesn't look too far off, right? You know, we're only technically 30K off it right now. You know, and especially around that point, what does the future hold once you hit that 100K point or whatnot? I don't know. You know what I mean? It's like Bitcoin is so far out of my, like, I don't even know in 5 years where it's gonna be. It could be at $15 again, bro, or it could be at, you know, 15 million. Like, who knows, bro? You know what I mean? It's like, so it really depends on, like you said, these whales. You know, and the thing is, with the halving coming up and miners, man, are miners going to be able to keep up with the demand as well? You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure you can only mine up to, what is it, 900 Bitcoin or something a day? It's something like that. It's a very smaller, it's a smaller amount. And when you really take it into comparison of how much Bitcoins people buy a day, dude, this price, man, with all these people talking about it, is going to, oh man, baby, I'm excited. So yeah, dude. So there's that. Also, man, how do you feel about, like you said, you were talking about altcoins? So things like, are you talking about like Litecoin? Are you talking about like Solana, Ethereum?
Yeah. Solana is more like high cap now because it's getting expensive. It's like in the hundreds. Right. But yeah, you could consider it a altcoin as well. But yeah, that's what I mean by altcoins, like Loopring, Polygon Matic, Solana. Yeah, those types of coins.
Right. Okay. All right. So the biggest question of them all, your thoughts on NFTs?
NFTs right now, bro. I don't think that was like a temporary thing. I personally don't think that NFTs really have much value right now, or like it's not something that's a smart investment, because that when NFTs first came out there that were very good investments that got very expensive, right? But right now right now, like obviously, there's nothing going on with NFTs. There's really no. I don't see a future or anything with NFTs. It's
Yeah, no.
not. It's not a very good investment.
Yeah, no, they are
They're
definitely.
literally just like digital cards. That's literally all they are. Like they don't have value behind them. It's just like a digital card, like either Pokemon cards or baseball cards.
Right.
I personally don't think that they have like value behind them.
No, I 100% agree, man. I mean, listen, the whole thing behind
I'm
it
not.
was supposed to be, the
Right.
whole metaverse and everything like that coming out, and it really
Yeah.
fell short with all the rug pulls and the scams and everything like that, and the fact that the I guess the metaverse or whatnot really did fall short as well. So that was supposed to be the next big thing, basically being like Ready Player One. You know what I mean? And then the development for it kind of slowed down a lot. We obviously have the Quest 3 and the Apple Vision Pro that came out, which is the nearest things, but those have no integration with NFTs, right? So they had nothing to do with NFTs. They came out on their own, and they just complain. It's almost like they were like, everyone's like talking about the NFTs and how it's going to be the next big thing, and then next thing you know, everyone just completely forgets about them. People have hundreds of
Yeah.
thousands of dollars locked up in these NFTs, and now they're just screwed, right? So,
Yeah.
100%. I don't mind things like the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Like, that one made sense in a way. Like, it's basically like your ticket into, like, yacht parties with some of the most rich, the richest people in the world, I guess, if you're able to buy a $250,000 monkey, right? So it's like, that one would have been the only one I was really cool with. I used to like flip NFTs back in the 2020, 2021 era. And that was simply like paper hand, you know what I mean? Like buy them, mint them for whatever price. Let's say I'd mint them for 0.2 ETH. I'd flip them for 0.7 ETH.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it was very much just a very simple, easy process. But yeah, other than that, dude, I don't think I ever long-term invested in any NFT project. I just couldn't do it. So I'm with you on that, man. So yep, NFTs, crypto, man, not doing crypto's doing hot. NFTs are, basically dead off in the water, but still watching this market for a play, man. EMAs aren't setting themselves up, perfectly. I guess there was one trade I could have taken, but I'm still waiting. So yeah, buddy, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, if anyone in the chat, any of you guys at TradeCaster.com have any questions, man, I was thinking about taking this one up on TikTok, but I have to get my stand. Dude, I have a whole setup for TikTok, man. It's a pain, let me tell you.
Yeah, man.
I gotta hit that 10K follower mark, bro. I gotta hit that 10K so I can just use the TikTok live studio or whatever it is on fucking on the computer. But big chilling out, man. So, any plans for the week, my friend? Any plans?
This weekend, not so far. I don't have any. I don't have any plans. Big plans so far.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to hit a 9-hole this weekend. I'm going to hit 3 back-to-back birdies. After that, I'm probably going to get 2 double bogeys, but forget about that. I'm hitting an eagle on the other end of that, right? Par is going to be about 35. Your boy's going to be hitting about 32. I'm calling it right now, ladies and gentlemen. Locking it in. That's my prediction. Hold me to it. Definitely not going double over, hitting 90, okay? So, don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about it. We got you. We got you. All right, well, taking a look at NQ, I'm going to take a look at some of the economic data on the day. Let me go right here. Give me 1 second. Economic data on the day and throughout the week, just to get the kind of the real feel of it. We're going back up to that 200 day right now. Nice little push, but still EMAs aren't really setting themselves up too well. So I'm not going to...
Yeah, we have home sales at 10 o'clock
There we go.
Eastern time. We have Fed Governor Lisa Cook speaks at 10:30.
Right. There we go. Yep. And consumer confidence as well. So there we go.
Yeah.
Woo. All right. So we got a couple things coming up at 10 a.m. guys. So if you guys want to hold the gun, hold off for about the next 15 minutes. Hold off on the trading. If you guys can do so, it'd be smart. I am taking a look here. I'm taking a look over here at yeah, dude, at NQ, bro. Oh my, dude. I want to punch the. I'm gonna punch that trade in. I'm not gonna lie. I may take a small one here. May touch the water, Back-to-back upper shadows. 200-day EMA coming in.
SPY is holding resistance on the 9 EMA right now.
Yep. I see that. Yep. SPY holding up. About to break that.
It's also holding resistance on Friday's pre-market highs as well.
Is that what that is? Okay,
Around-
yep. Yeah,
Around 521.29, around there.
There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, no entry for myself. I'm gonna wait it out. Honestly, there's no point not. More I think about it, we have 14 minutes until some sort of data, which should. I'm hoping that. So, what I love to see is a push in this market, right? Why do we wait, ladies and gentlemen? Because I want to see a move, right? We are not momentum traders, but I love trading when there is a big move on the hand, right? I like trading the back end. Because then that clears up direction of the day, right? We're chopping, we're going up and down. We kind of, what price did we open at here? Let me bring up my data box. Let's see. Market opened at the price of 521.23. We're at 521.11. So as you see, we really haven't moved that much in the day, ladies and gentlemen. So if we get a nice big spike off consumer confidence, off what other data was there? You said
it was Lisa Cook, Fed. She speaks at 10:30.
Okay. Yup, off a Fed speaker, consumer confidence coming out, ladies and gentlemen. We get a nice big spike, rip and run, and it starts to hold that throughout the day. Well, then our EMAs are going to start to set themselves up for the good dip buys on that. So yeah, definitely have that patience, guys. Throughout a choppy market, you got to kind of be a little bit hands off. Not saying you can't make, obviously both of these EMAs would have worked, but for how many points? You would have caught 4 or 5 points on NQ on the second one. The first one, you would have called a nice play, but was it ethical? That's the question. Was it smart? So
there's a big green candle on Apple here.
Apple,
pretty nice move. Yeah.
AAPL. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
What's their dealio today, huh? Let's see.
Yeah. Maybe they have news. Let me check.
Little push on them. Honestly, Apple, surprisingly, for everything that's been coming out on them and everything they've been doing, their stock really is not doing too hot. They're coming off of, $200, the all-time highs, obviously, but back down to 170, falling $30. And this is with, earnings coming out. Maybe they missed earnings. That seems to be the day that really cut them short. But at the same time, it's still a wild play to think they have the Apple Vision Pro. They have, all these new technologies coming out 24/7, and it's not looking like NVDA. I don't know if you know that company, the chip company, basically, right?
Yeah.
NVDA is going nuts recently, man. Crazy, right? So it's not looking like that at all. So you can see if the investors really have faith in it, and you can see that a lot of investors, they really don't, right? It's like, I don't know, what their thought is about Apple. But my thought is, I always thought Apple would be around forever. You know what I mean? It's just one of those companies that are always here, and you really never have to worry about. But apparently investors think differently. So, yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So, big.
Yeah, I think Apple's not going anywhere anytime soon. Yeah, Apple's more one of the companies that's moving into the futuristic side of things, like Tesla and all those big companies.
Right.
And Apple's very, very popular around the world and very huge. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, bro.
Right, 100%, man. It's just, I need the investors to pick up the knots, my friend. So
Yeah.
They are keeping that stock price where it is, and I kind of get it. So, NVDA was undervalued after that first earnings, right? So it went from like, what was it, like $200 to like 300 on that first ever earnings report it came out, and then it just continued to rip and run because at that said time the company was undervalued. Now it's getting up to the highs of $1,000, and this is where it's been sitting because this is the company's, real value, right? That's kind of how I always think about it. I always think about, hey, if this penny stock rips and runs and it goes from $1 to $20, is this the actual worth of the company? If I'm holding this stock from $1 all the way up to the $20 mark, should I sell out? Do I think that this is the company? Well, I think the actual value is only $5. I think this rip and run is, way overestimated. So yeah, I'll get out. If I'm like, well, honestly, for the future of this company, I like what it has. I like what it has in store. I think that, the estimate is about $50. That's the value of the company should be. Well, then maybe over a year or two, it may hit that $50 mark and you're in from $5, $10 or whatever it is, right? So that's kind of how I always play it, especially penny stocks, man. You get those penny stock rip and runs all the time. But obviously, a blue chip like NVDA doesn't compare to a penny stock. But yeah, you have, obviously you seen SMCI, man? SMCI.
Yeah. I don't really keep up with it, but I've seen that it's been rocketing. It's been rocketing over the
bro.
past weeks.
Yeah, it's been
Yeah,
nuts,
after
dude.
its earning reports, it just skyrocketed.
Yup. It's it reminds me exactly of almost like NVDA charts, right? So obviously,
Yeah,
Super Microchip, it's another chip company or whatnot. So it's getting in there, man, and it's getting the hype. Let me tell you that, man. I mean, going from
Yeah.
I watched this thing go from, I think, what is it, Tradecaster wise, we were watching this thing back at like 400, 500. And I was like, yeah, man, this might be the high. I don't know. Like, I'm not going to get involved. You know what I mean? I feel like this is way overextended, obviously, off of like 200, 300 bucks, right? Soup, is I wrong, bro? Oh, man. Seeing that thing run up, dude, to $1,000 plus was nuts, dude. So I wanted to get a short, though, at the like 1,040 mark, right? On the come down.
Yeah.
Bro, I
Yeah.
couldn't get filled on these. Oh, my gosh, dude. These were so expensive puts. I didn't get filled on them, bro, but they would have paid pretty nicely. So that would have been about a $300 pullback, man. So that would have been,
Damn.
yeah, bro. So I was like, it's always woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? No, but it
Yeah.
was definitely a play. Play of the day was definitely SMCI. And play of the year so far, I could say NVDA is setting itself up, man. NVDA, I don't know if SMCI holds the hype, then yeah, but play of the year last year was NVDA, right? NVDA had a nice move, and for a blue chip stock, that was crazy. But this year going into it, NVDA started off very strong and is still strong. But yeah, we'll see coming into, I guess, June area, June, July, 6 months in where it'll sit, I guess. So
Yeah,
very
for
excited
sure.
to see that. All right, we got a few minutes here. 9:52. Oh man, bro. So I heard you said you got some big plans coming up with a couple of your buddies and stuff. You guys doing some stuff, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. So what we're doing is it's a few friends from California. I was in this business called ACN, and I've made a few connections on there. So
Okay.
one of the guys I was supposed to hotel with, he's from California, and yeah. So basically, he has a few friends from college over there, and
Right.
one of the guys knows how to trade. He's running the whole thing basically. We have a group of 12 guys right now, and we're funding them with like $500 accounts each,
Yeah.
and we're gonna try to flip those accounts. It's basically like a challenge. We're trying to flip those accounts into like 50K, but there's like levels and goals we have to reach in between that 50K. It's like level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1's like 500 to 1K, and then so on. So
That's
the way they're funding this is because they were able to flip $1,500 into 50K, 52K, somewhere around there. Yeah, so that money is going to be used as an investment to be able to fund multiple guys and help them learn how to trade, as well as at the same time, like, help them financially, because at the end of the day they're going to be taking home around 50-70K with them, right? And at the same time they're going to have that experience of day trading, and they're going to know how it works, and they're going to have a little bit of knowledge, and essentially they're going to learn. Essentially what we're trying to do is help people financially and help them learn how to day trade as well at the same time.
Yep. Okay, that sounds awesome, bro. So taking 500, flipping 500 into 50K, huh? I think I seen some guy on like Instagram do that. He took like $20, bro. I don't know if you ever seen that guy. He was crazy. I'm sure I think he was just doing. I don't even know, bro. Maybe he was gambling. I don't know how he did it, bro. $20 and 50K is insane.
When it comes to trying to do challenges like this, sometimes you have to like full port your
Right.
account, but you can do it with risk management. It just takes a little bit longer, but essentially, like, you want to do these challenges, you got to do them slowly. You got to do them with patience, proper risk management, because one bad trade, you're done.
Yep, literally, bro. And are you guys doing this on futures options?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, not futures. We trade. We like to trade SPY, IWM, and QQQ. Those are the three main stocks we're going to be trading off of. We don't do futures.
Okay. Yep. No, that's understandable. So more options, you're saying, or are you just doing?
Yeah, more options.
Okay. Yep.
Options. What we're focused on mainly.
Right. Yep. And that's 100%. That's a good thing, man. I mean, options are, you could buy a contract for, $10, and by the end of the day, if you're, it goes from out of the money to in the money, you'll make, $90 on it, right? Or something per contract.
Yeah.
Though, right. So it's like
Yeah.
you can make crazy bank with it. And I do like the fact of the premiums, man. I don't like the theta, the gamma, the delta, all, you know what I mean? All, like, you know, the Greeks coming in, bro. But if you guys obviously, you know how to manage that if you're trading it yourself and everything. But yeah, dude, so that seems like something that's gonna be fun, bro. So looking forward to hearing more about that, bro. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, man. So what, are you gonna be one of the guys trading one of the 500s?
Yeah. Plus, I'm one of the guys that helps out with the calls on whether we should take it or not, analyzing the markets and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna have my own funded account as well.
There we go, dude. You're gonna have to start streaming it, my boy. Start streaming it, make like a whole thing. Be like, yo, whoever wins gets like an extra 1,000. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're trying to make this a big thing. Like we have plans ahead for the future about what we can do with this. But for now, we just gotta focus on becoming successful with the first group of guys.
Right.
And then after that, we'll go from there. We're trying to make this something big. We're trying to help other people out as well to get into the markets and become financially free as well.
Yep. You gotta start up your own prop firm, bro. Honestly, gotta get it going.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I told the guy that maybe that's something we'll be looking into in the future.
Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, because you got to think about it. Prop firms. Actually, there's a streamer on here, one of my buddies, Caesar, and Kush as well. Both of them. They both on TradeCaster. They both own a prop firm called the Real Prop Firm. It's a Forex prop firm, and yeah, man. I mean, you know, that's the big thing. Helping people get funded, helping people, you know, make money and become financially free. That's the goal always, man. And it's the end goal, right? You learn to trade, then you help others learn to trade. You know what I mean? Trying to basically helping them to the rapture, right? Wherever it is, right, dude? So yeah, it's awesome to hear, awesome to see, and yeah, dude. I mean that is pretty crazy too. 500 to 50, huh? Whew.
Yeah, but I think actually 70K, 500 to 70K.
Oh yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh man, dude.
Yeah, but crazy day trading is basically like an infinite money glitch, bro.
Right, dude. Like, yeah, if you already know, yeah, dude. It's there's no holding back. The sky's the limit, literally, bro. You can scale it up to as much as you want. So that's also another thing, man. That's why a lot of traders, you really think about it. We've got 2 minutes till that data comes out, but that's why they don't go to Wall Street. You know, a lot of people ask, hey, why don't you go to Wall Street if, like, you know, you have a high profitability ratio? A high win ratio, and everything like that.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's like, why don't you go to Wall Street then and everything? It's like, because at Wall Street you're capped. You make $50 million for the company that you're working for, whatever floor you're trading on. You only take home $500,000, right? It's like, you know, it's like, why would I do that if I could just, you know, lock in and you know, get funded on, like, you get $5 million of funding, or you start with your own money and you start running it up and everything, and then you're good to go, right? It's like you're taking home 100%, or like a 90-10 split then, right? If you're on a prop, so. That's the big thing with Wall Street. I guess there is a bit of security for those people that like to trade, but they like the security threshold of $500K a year or whatnot. You know what I mean? So, 100%, man. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, why Wall Street isn't always perfect. Then you got to worry about Wall Street crooks, and there's everything on there too. So,
at the end of the day, bro, it's all about working for yourself and not working for someone else.
Yep.
And then also having people working for you, right? Like when you build your own company or your prop firm, whatever you want to build, it's all about you, right? Like you don't want to be working under. That's basically the goal. Financial time and time freedom, right? Like you don't have to take orders from someone. You can make the amount of money that you want. You can do whatever you want, and you're not enslaved, basically, in the matrix. That's what I like to call it, because I'm an Andrew Tate fan, and
yeah, buddy,
I listen to these big entrepreneurs too, and I've been opening my eyes. That's when I first started with trading 2 years ago. I started listening and opening my eyes and becoming less of a sheep and understanding how the system in the world really works.
Yeah, buddy. Well, hey, I mean, and exactly that right there, bro. I mean, once you open your eyes up a little bit more to trading and the aspects of it, you get a let's just say, it kind of messes with you anytime you do anything else, right? It's like, okay, well, I can make money sitting behind a computer, right? So yeah, dude, Andrew Tate fan, indeed. Yeah, man, just keep it up, bro. So I don't know if you just seen that though on NQ though. Nice little push right there. I literally tried to get filled, bro. I set my order in right here at 9. What is it? 18, basically 599. Clicked the button, went to go click buy, rejected the order as it spiked right in through. Now waiting and watching to see if we're going to get a pullback. S&P did not break out at all. S&P has yet to even react really off of it.
Yeah.
So, So, yeah, there's that ES still underneath. So, now we're getting that situation to where NQ spiking up off of its EMAs and S&P is rejecting off of it. So, what do we do in this situation, ladies and gentlemen? You have to keep your hands off. You have to be patient. Nothing really setting up today. Bit of a choppy Tuesday coming in. Yesterday wasn't terrible. Yesterday was a bit slower as well, but not terrible. Yeah, definitely not terrible. If I go back to yesterday, yeah, a bit slower, I guess I'd say. No real breakout rip and runs too much. You had that morning rip, which is that was pretty nice. But yep. So this week may just be setting up. So maybe there's a reason for it, guys. Let me go to the economic calendar. Go to tomorrow. Do you have anything coming out tomorrow? How about the next 14 days in general? Let's see. So that's the next basically we have core PCE coming out on March 29th, but that's also what is that? Good Friday? Yeah, so this Friday we have off, right? So, yeah.
Yo, bro, quick question. Can you is there a way to transfer my audio onto my laptop? Because I gotta make a phone call here real quick.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, wait. Oh, yeah. Like transfer your audio.
Yeah, from Discord over to my laptop. Because I don't have.
Yeah,
I don't,
you should.
I don't.
Yeah,
I'm not like you gotta call me from. Can you call me again so I can get in on my laptop?
Yeah, I got you, bro. Yep.
From Discord.
Yep. All right. So give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get this squared away. Ladies and gentlemen, but we are chilling out on the day. As you see, the EMA setting themselves up, guys. You guys gotta be cautious. You gotta be friendly, man. You gotta be watching this market. You don't obviously with NQ above these EMAs, and if your number one strategy is the EMA strategy, and this one's below it, and this one's above it, you don't want to be there.
Yo, bro.
There we go. Yo.
It's still on my phone. I don't know why it's not showing up on my laptop.
Huh. Okay. Here, let me see. I didn't call you, but here, let me give you a call back on. Let me see if I call you. Okay.
All right.
Let's see if that works. Does that work?
15-minute now.
Got it. Can you hear me now?
Yep. There we go.
Yep.
All right, awesome.
All right.
Awesome.
So, all right. Yep. There we go. So, yep, market's still setting itself up. Nice little push coming in. Above 18,600 now, baby. Getting it in. S&P still holding that resistance line of that 200 EMA. So, we are big chilling out, man. Oh,
I'm looking for it's having resistance here on Market Orb.
Okay.
Marketing. Yeah. You know what Market Orb is?
No, I was going to say I've never heard of that.
It's like so basically Market Orb is like the first candle of the the market when it opens, right? Whenever it breaks or retests that, it's like a key level. So when it breaks it, I always look for calls and I enter calls.
Right.
Whenever it holds it or it breaks the under the candle, then I look for puts.
Okay. Oh, okay. So it's like open range breakout. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, open range
Okay,
breakout.
okay.
Yeah.
Got you.
Orb.
Yep. I was gonna say
what I like.
open range breakout. That makes sense now. Okay. I was like, yeah. All right, that works. Yeah, dude, and 100% open range breakout is a great strategy. I used to trade that back when I traded options. Yeah, on like Tesla.
Yeah.
What is that? Tesla, Amazon. Also flat tops, flat bottoms are good plays as well. I don't know if you trade those as well, but yep, something like that. So yeah, buddy. So yep. So you said S&P is waiting for the open range breakout. Is that what you're saying?
SPY is.
Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Yeah. QQQ already broke it. QQQ's rocketed here.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yup. And QQQ. Yup. So we're
SPY
waiting.
is being slow right now.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. It's just, dude. It's just sitting, bro. It wants nothing to do with us. It says, "Don't try and touch me today." It's like I don't want to be touched. It's like, all right. So, yeah, big chilling out right now. Yeah, dude. That YM, dude. YM. Can I just be honest, ladies and gentlemen? YM's its own beast, man. If you guys trade YM, You know, what is that? That's gonna be your what is it? Your Dow Jones, industrial, obviously. Basically, another one of the overall, you know, market indicators and everything like that. If you guys trade that, it does its own thing, and it is beautiful 9 times out of 10, bro. So I'm taking a look at YM right now, and it's a beautiful setup. It's a beautiful play. It doesn't react like S&P. It doesn't react like NQ at all. It kind of does its own thing, but I do see these EMAs setting up perfectly. So if these things come back into play on YM, I may be looking at a trade on that. I mean, it just looks very clean coming into market open. So I will definitely consider that. I don't know how much YM moves per tick. So if you guys know that, that'd be very helpful because I have no idea.
One of my favorite compliments.
I gotta look that up. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, how much? Let's see this here. How much does /YM move per tick? Okay. Let's see this here. Okay, TD Ameritrade. Okay, I don't need to know. All right, there we go. YM moves. Okay, so it's literally like NQ, $5 a tick. Okay. On a on a dollar variable. Okay. So and it moves per dollar. It doesn't move. Okay, that's good. It's good to see. All right, so it moves per dollar and it moves a dollar. What is it? $5 per tick. So $10 would be $50, right? So there you go. So NQ does move a little bit quicker, I'd say. Yeah, NQ moves a little bit faster because it moves 0.25 for $5. So it's a little bit slower to take 1 mini on YM compared to 1 mini on NQ. But still, nonetheless, both still rather quick moves. Yeah, I'll say that. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna take a couple contracts here, calls on QQQ.
There we go. Okay. Getting in long here. Not a bad spot. 9-day EMA holding it up. Looks like my boy's about to bank. Are you already in?
I can't hear you, bro. Your mic is a little muffled.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, no, I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, no, I said, what is it? Did you already get in? I seen S&P broke above that 200-day. It's looking good. Just needs to hold up here. Yep.
Yeah, QQQ was holding support here on Orb.
Right.
As well.
Yep.
I entered some. It's testing, so I entered some calls here on QQQ.
There we go. Yep. Yeah, I'm taking a look at YM, man. I'm waiting for a little bit of a push. S&P, just patience on my end. Gotta wait for the breakouts, the rip and runs to come in, because I can't force it. Ladies and gentlemen, big things coming up within the next few months for Tradecaster, man. Keep your eyes open. If you guys are not a part of the party, you guys are on YouTube.com right now. You guys are coming from TikTok over to YouTube.com, whatever it may be, and are not a part of the party, man. Make sure to get over here. You guys can watch me for free live every single day, Monday through Friday. Here, ladies and gentlemen, LWB students, you guys will be having a day of your own coming up. LWB students have no issue with that. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, just keep your eyes open. Yeah, buddy. Woo! We're having fun, baby. Got Angel here. Let me tell you about this guy. All right. He benches 225, squats 9. It's crazy. You're not going to believe me. Over 600. All right, let me tell you. He's squatting over 600, benches at least 225. I've never seen him do it, but I know he does more than it, right? 135%. That's what's going on here. You don't even want to talk about his deadlift, all right? So, confirm, back me up here, Angel.
Yes, sir. My PR is actually 225, bro.
Is it actually? Okay, word up. There we go, dude. So I got that eye, baby. I got that eye.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't deadlift though, or I don't squat either. I don't like doing those things. I like more like upper body.
Okay.
I'm a soccer player.
Right. Oh yeah. I guess you already have the leg. Yeah. You already got the leg strength there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what's up, bro. Yeah, dude. Yeah, bro. I mean, I don't know, man. I love lifting, but anything over, like I said, 225 over that, my shoulder, bro. Woo,
yeah.
It gets a little crazy.
Yeah, I like going to the gym more for discipline because it implements more discipline into you.
Right.
I'm not looking to be a bodybuilder, like huge. Those big
right. Steroids or whatever. Yeah, dude.
That's not what I look for. I look for like toned muscle.
Yep.
little bit big, but tone muscle, like medium size.
Right, right. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
And yeah, dude, I have a buddy. Dude, you would never tell this guy even works out, bro. He has a gut like no other dude, but he's a power lifter, you know what I mean? So like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, dude, bro is massive, man. And it's like, yeah, I mean, he benches though like 405, man. So I'm like, okay, well, all right, buddy. I'm like, put me on your diet. He's like, I just eat everything, and I'm like, okay, well, all right. I'm like, and here we are, dude. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah, buddy. So we were big chilling out.
So
Yeah.
I'm still holding this QQQ seat here. If it wants to bounce off this 9 and 21 EMA, if not, I'm gonna come for my losses.
All right.
I'm trading paper right now, by the way, because I
Okay.
haven't been
Whew,
haven't
you
traded
scared me, bro.
money.
Scared
Yeah.
me, dude. I was like, oh fuck, bro. I didn't want to say anything, dude. I was like, Q's right now, dude. Okay, all right. Yep. No, I'm still chilling out, man. I'm still waiting on my entry. I will say, why YB? Why have you not gotten in? Why have you not taken a trade yet? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking a look at my EMAs, and once again, S&Ps are above, NQs are below. Now, can these spots still hold out together? Yes. But is it worth it? Is it worth taking the risk? Not really in my mind. I do like the spot the Qs are at right now with the VWAP touch and the bounce off of it. That's not a bad play at all. But I would rather wait for confirmation.
Here. Yeah, beautifully bouncing here off the 21.90 EMA here.
Yup, right there, and
Yeah.
right there it goes. Yup. Look at
Beautiful.
that lower shadow on SPY, boys. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Wow. Starting to come back up here. Beautiful, man. Taking a look at YM here. Going to be watching YM. If it breaks above this area, I'm probably going to load it up on my chart and test the waters on it. Once again, I don't usually trade YM, but it is very good looking recently for my setup. So let me load up YM M4. So we're going to have that loaded up. One contract would be what I take. Look at that perfect touch of that VWAP. Please do not reverse right now. Please don't do that to me. Don't do that to me, bro. Go a little bit higher, okay? Don't play games. So I want to get a trade in here, but I need some direction, right? I will say, if you take a step back and you look at the chart on S&P, you take off all your indicators, you take off all any lines you have, what do we see? We more or less see chop right now, right? A lot of up-down momentum. We do need one clear direction, one clear spike rip run. I thought that the best chance we had was consumer confidence at 10 a.m. and obviously a Fed chairman speaking, right? So 100% that would have been it, but apparently not yet. So there will be a move depending on what time it is. We are averaging underneath 100,000 a candle as well on SPY. So SPY averages on a good day, and what I like to trade around 100K a candle for for S&P 500, but it's averaging a little bit under that. And for a Tuesday, that's a little light. So we are big chilling out right now, dude. Until this thing just hits me with something.
Market's been really choppy last week. Curious to see if we're gonna be choppy again today or this whole week as well, or if it's gonna finally decide to be more volatile.
Right. And my number one thing going into is FOMC, right? After FOMC hit, a lot of things went down in the way. The market's kind of been a little bit slower. There's not really too much going on. And I can very much say that, I don't really know what to expect too much coming up in the future for the volatility wise. So if I take a look here, our next big thing coming out is going to be the 28th. So not tomorrow, but the day after. On Thursday, we have GDP growth rate quarter-over-quarter final, and then Michigan consumer sentiment final as well at 10:30. So think about GDP growth rate, though, for your futures traders, going to be good. For any of you traders, options traders, you guys, that's at 8:30 a.m., so market won't be open quite yet. But the consumer sentiment, just like today, will be open at 10. After that, really big news is going to be, we have a little bit. We have until April 5th, I'd say. April 5th, non-farm payrolls comes out, unemployment rate comes out. Other than that, you have like ISM services, ISM manufacturing. But, wait a minute, there it is. March 29th. So, once again, that's still this Friday, though, so that doesn't count because we have off because of Good Friday. So, all right, well, damn it. It's like, well, all right, so not too much going on. We've got a lot going on in the market. Maybe that's a good reason why. So let me look it up. Let me look up this. Let's see. There we go. Okay.
I'm liking the 4 hour time frame on QQQ as well as the hourly and the 10 minute. Pretty good.
Okay, there we go. Yep. Yeah, I'm with you there 100%. I do like that these are holding up rather well, and I
Yeah.
could really see a pop coming up.
Yeah.
I see a bunch of lower shadows here, and this
Yeah.
could just result in one big pop here. So
Yeah.
just waiting and watching. I like YM still slowly grinding up.
Yeah. Still holding my 5 contracts on QQQ.
There we go. There we
Yeah.
go.
I am a little bit down on them because I bought a little bit towards the like midway of the 2 previous candles.
Right.
So I am a little bit, but hopefully we see a good pop here soon.
Right. Yep. Yep. And I'm with you. So taking a look here, want to see YM above. If I could get that, could I get that time and sales to work? There you go. Okay, time and sales working now. Would love to see a little bit of a pop above that VWAP there, up to the 200.
Yeah.
Then maybe I'll get into that. Maybe I'll take an entry. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, so. Hopefully you guys can hear some of those bops. Bada bing, boom. Oh, so just slow and steady, baby. Slow and steady wins the race, they say, right? So here we are. Slow and steady grind right now, ladies and gentlemen. YM coming up. YM getting in between the reins, but patience pays, man. I'm just waiting and watching on it. Right up in between there.
Here we go. Could it break here? Spies looks like it's about to break the orb as well.
Yeah, there we go. Yep. Buyers coming in. There we go. There we go. Buyers coming in. Buyers taking over. I like it.
Beautiful.
We go a little bit of a push here. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. We'll see if this holds up.
Yep. If it does not break, if QQQ
Order
doesn't break
filled.
this 447.19 level, which is the previous 3 candles, if it wants to hold here, I will be cutting my contracts because that would be an indicator to me that it wants to chop.
Right. A little bit of a push there. Yep. Still coming in.
If we don't see a little breakout here, I will be cutting my 5 cons here.
Yeah, buddy. A little cray on it. I'm in YM to the downside, all for the 200 and the view up there. Just
Yeah.
waiting on it. Yep, starting to come in a little bit, but I would need to see. I don't now. It looks like it moves $5 per dollar move, right? So that is, like I said, that is going to be a bit slower, ladies and gentlemen, than NQ that we're used to. NQ we're used to $5 per 25 cents. So it moves a lot. There it goes, starting to come down a little bit here.
Yeah.
I don't know if this thing plays exactly like the market. It doesn't look like it, but yeah. So just chilling out. Got in the short. I'm gonna be waiting until I'd say the 50-day coming up, starting to break that 9. I want to see that come into play. And then that will, yeah, it may TP. Depends on like how quick it hits it. So basically just the evaluation at that 50-day.
Yeah, I cut my contracts. I'm not liking this little wick right here. It's like having a little bit of resistance.
Okay. On
Yeah.
on Qs. Yeah, I
The
see what you're
QQ,
saying.
I'm looking at Spy. Spy is having very, very strong resistance here as
Yup.
well. So my contracts, I'm not liking this.
All good. All
Took a
good.
little small $7 loss.
Oh,
but
okay,
it's
there we
fine.
go. How many were you holding?
I was holding 5 contracts. I was almost break even, but I sold on this little wick right here on QQQ.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So, waiting myself right now. What am I waiting on? I obviously, you know, a little bit in the green and a little bit in the profit. A little bit more of a push down here. All for these EMAs. If it comes back up and above, you know, I may sell out of these. But right now I'm still in the green. Am looking for that little bit of a spike down. They're not as volatile. like I said, as NQ. So you can have a little bit more wiggle room. You know, it would need a rather large move. So $10 is only $50. While on NQ, it is not the same rodeo there at all. So as we chill out, as we wait and watch, ladies and gentlemen. Have that resistance. Let's see if it holds up. Yeah, coming back down. There we go. Starting to come back down a little bit here. S&P starting to slide. NQ starting to slide.
Yep.
Want to see those? The EMAs aren't. I will say, EMAs are not setting up nicely on NQ or S&P right now, but still waiting patiently on YM as those EMAs did set up. Woo! So feeling it today, baby. Getting that little bit of energy in.
Could be a
Yep.
could be a choppy day, bro.
Yeah.
That's what it's looking like right now.
Yep. Very slow price action. It's already 10:21. No real rip run breakouts
Yeah.
or anything like that. So, yep, just looking for a little bit of a slide here on YM. If it gets this red candle right here, it could slide back down to 30. 30, yeah, I'd say about 27. If it, yeah, it would need a little bit of a red dumpy here. A little bit of a red dumpy here. Sellers would have to come in. If not, it's okay. So very, I'd say mild price action here. Let me check out. Let me go to here. Let me overlap volume. Oh, okay, never mind. I have a data box on. Okay, never mind. I can choose my data box. I think. Let's see. Starting to slide a little bit more here. Let's see what the average volume is per candle. 125, 400 sometimes. What's this one? 150. Okay, so these ones are a little bit lower. Okay, so it looks like good candles are like 400, 500, 300. Okay. So right up to that top, coming up, breaking a little bit above it. I want to see nice red candle coming in, nice little double top. I want to see that kind of hit now and start to flush where we're at. I do not hold and hope these plays with these plays.
Yeah, now it looks like buyers are coming in again here.
So I think trend is your friend here, honestly. If YM breaks that 9-day EMA, and VWAP,
Yeah.
this thing could dump
Yeah.
easy. Trend is friend.
Yeah,
So yeah, you just gotta be
yeah.
cautious. Wait. NQ making a little bit of upper shadow. Let's see. Hold up. Let's see if that little candle. Let's see. We can break that 200. All depends. The seller's coming in a little bit more here.
Seriously, I am so reading it.
Seller's coming in a little bit more here. Okay, so it's starting to go up a little bit.
Yeah, that bridge, dude, is insane. Can't believe that at all. So sad. So. Look at Brayden. Brayden's like, you're such
50.
a.
A little bit above that. It's starting to get a little bit of a run. Yeah. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna cut it. 60 buck L in the prop. 60 buck L. Very slow price action though. Very slow movement, I will say. So YM moves a bit slower than, like I said, NQ. So where $60 loss would have been a $200 loss on NQ. You just grind it up, and it's just grinding up straight through the EMAs at this point. So YM not playing out very efficiently, but it is okay as we wait and watch. I think just like Angel said, very slow, choppy day, right, dude? So I think that's what we're experiencing right now. Definitely just chilling out. Yeah. So the EMAs, and they're not tightening up or anything. So only thing I would see here on NQ would be this VWAP right now. But then again, S&Ps would have to come into play very closely.
Yeah, for sure.
So let's see this. Let's see what happens here. I made
All right.
trade.
Probably not gonna take any other trades today unless it wants to break out.
Right.
Unless I see like very volatile price action, I'm probably not gonna take anything because most likely it's gonna be chopping all day, like it has been the past week. Not really like don't like these kinds of days. They're just kind of like it's just shitty market
Right.
action, bro.
Literally, bro.
Yeah.
So yeah, only play I'm thinking about is right here at this VWAP. Touch the VWAP. Is it really getting the bounce right off the touch? Yeah, maybe that. May touch this. Giving myself a second to decide. I don't want to see an upper shadow.
Apple's been on a slow grind to the upside here.
Well, there we go. Okay. So Apple coming in. All the options traders. There you go.
Buy still holding this 921 EMA as well.
Yep.
It's respecting this key. I think it was not Friday. It was yesterday's pre-market high. I said that earlier. My bad. Yeah, I meant yes, not Fridays. Yeah, but it's respecting this support level on yesterday's pre-market highs.
So just waiting. Could start to slide here, honestly.
Yeah, look at this big red candle right here on SPY. And QQ. Yeah, everything's
goes.
starting to pump here. Yeah.
Damn, YM. Couldn't have done it sooner. No, I'm kidding. YM actually didn't move basically at all. So we are chilling out. Yeah. Let me load up. Let me load up NVDA. I don't think YM has as much of an effect as anyone thinks it does. Actually, I don't think anybody actually thinks it has an effect, so I can't say that. But I'm taking a look at NVDA, obviously for NQ. I have another chart up with 5 tickers in one chart. I call it my NQ overall, right? And that one has Amazon, Meta, Tesla, NVDA, and I think it's Microsoft, I would say. Oh no, Apple, all in one ticker, right? So I kind of get that overall direction of those tech stocks for the day. So very slow grind to the downside is all I'm seeing. Yeah, kind of in a channel pattern here. Here, I'll mark it for anyone over on Tradecaster.com. Give you guys this little channel pattern I'm seeing. Boop. There you go. So, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you see, little channel pattern forming here. Let's see if that starts to get any sort of breakout, rip and run either direction. Once again, 1028. What can we really expect this market to do today? Really not much. I can't really say, anything grand, anything bold. Yeah, I mean, it's not really doing much at all, right? So, it's hard when there's nothing really setting itself up beautifully, So, yeah. So, had Angel come on for a choppy-ass day. My bad, Angel. Sorry, I know that. Oh, guys, I spoke too soon. There's a downside move. So, woo! I don't know what just happened at 10:29. They're getting ready for 10:30. That's what they're doing. Look at that.
You see that big rank candle here on QQQ? It just dropped like almost $1, bro.
Yeah, bro. I don't even know what that was, dude. What about backslide? What does YM look like? No, okay. All right. Wow, it's really sliding, bro. There we go. That is nutso, bro. NVDA could have been one of the leading causes. NVDA sliding right now. NVDA sliding to the downside right now. If you can catch any of this momentum, kudos to you. Chasing's not a very good strategy, though. You gotta be cautious. You gotta be cautious chasing, boys. So I I would rather chase the dip buy than I would chase the short side.
Holding support here. It looks like the bids are coming in. Holding support on previous market low.
Yeah. Yeah, keeping this one on watch, honestly.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here. Keeping this one on tight watch. S&P, yeah, S&P holding up well, actually. 520, 529, 520.90. Holding up.
Yeah. 520.90, somewhere around there. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, holding up really well. Let's see. If it really starts to slide underneath that, ladies and gentlemen, you guys got to be very cautious. Yeah, look at that. Wow,
Yeah.
bro. Damn, dog. That thing is sliding, bro.
Yeah. Just broke. I know my friend was in puts here. He was in. He's
He's
gonna let me
short.
see. He said, he was in 520 puts here.
Damn, there you
So
go.
hopefully they dump the markets today.
Yeah, right? Right?
Yeah.
So, as you can see, my boy got some insider trading info, huh? Oh, man, dude, yeah. Chilling out. Actually, it just hit one of my support levels of 526.5. I had that line placed, I assumed for a different reason, but it just hit that exactly. And it's playing out really well. Let me go to 30 minutes, see if I can find out why I put that there. Okay, so it looks to be, yeah, some of those old highs about a day ago. Around the old highs a little bit. There we go. Maybe dip by central here. I want to get the dip by, then again, I don't want to go against market direction. So, if it's sliding, ripping, and running to the downside, these EMAs will start to set themselves up, and it'll start to look a little bit better. But yeah, that'll obviously take a couple minutes, some time. If you guys can catch the dip by, you guys finally, you find it. That's awesome.
With the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card, earn unlimited 2% cash back on purchases you
So
want.
we
like
wait,
dance
and we
lessons.
watch, ladies and gentlemen. We wait,
And on what
and we
you need,
watch.
like
There it is. A little
memory
bit of
foam
dip by coming in.
inserts.
Okay.
That's real
Little
life
bit of a
ready.
dip
Visit
back coming in.
wellsfargo.com/activecash. Terms apply.
Yeah. See, I hate this fuckery with the market.
Yeah, bro. Look at this thing, dude. Absolutely nothing, dude. Absolutely nothing, dude.
Yeah, it looks like they want.
Yeah.
Unless it closes below pre-market lows here, then that should be a good indicator to the downside. But if not, bro, this shit's gonna be chopping all day long like this.
Yep.
We've
Yeah,
seen
bro.
this, bro. We've seen this last week, bro. They fake breakout, and then they buy that shit up. It's annoying, bro.
Yep. Market movers, baby. They're getting paid. they're faking us out.
Yeah.
Yo. They're like, yo, dude, how can we rack up a couple million within a week? Like, well, here we go. It's like, yo, the firm's funds are getting low. How do we rack it up? Hear me out. Let's pump and dump the S&P. Hey, what's up, CDZ? What's up, buddy? What happened with the market? Market's doing market things. No, I'm kidding. Had a little bit of a slip. Decided to, fall off a little bit. I guess, sellers picked up more than buyers did. Buyers now buying up this dip buy. The real question is, are we going to break the 9-day EMA, flip back to the top side? Or is this just, another, I would say, another little pullback into the next sell-off, right? So did we finally make direction on the day, right? Is this just consolidation to the next sell-off? Or are we going to get back up to the daily highs right now from market open highs and just kind of chop, right? If we do that 100%, I think I'm done on the day. Yeah, that'll definitely be it. But if not, I'll wait for my EMAs to set up. So if we do slide again here, which I could see that happening. Yeah, wait and watch it. So, yep. So that's what happened there. Yep. Oh, man, what a day. I gotta hit the gym and the driving range after this, my boy. Let me tell you. Best combo in the world.
Yeah. You like golfing?
Yeah, bro, it's pretty fun, dude. And I got my girl into it, bro. Like, she used to hate golfing, bro, because she was really bad. But she's getting better.
Yeah.
So she's hitting them. She doesn't hit them like really. So she'll take like you know, a driver, right? And then she'll hit it, and it'll go like 50 yards or something, but it'll be straight. And obviously, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like if you can hit a ball 50 yards and hit it straight, that's pretty good. Like I'll take that any day of the week, right? Because, you know, when I first started, bro, dude, I would hit it, but it'd go like, you know, 150, 200 yards, but it would just go in like left. like I'd be screaming forward. So, yeah, bro. So she enjoys it. I enjoy it. So yeah, I definitely like it. She found her passion at Topgolf. What do you say?
Yeah. Go ahead, finish your sentence.
No, I said she found her passion at Topgolf last weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
bro.
Last time I went golfing was, I think it was senior year of high school.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And when I kept missing the ball when I first hit the ball. When I tried hitting it, bro.
Yeah.
I kept missing it, but after a few hours, I got a hand of it.
You got a hand of it?
Yeah.
There we go.
I haven't golfed since then. But
Oh, yeah?
golf is something. Yeah, golf is something I wanna get into a little bit.
Well, hey man, maybe we'll have a little golfing outage. You know, we have I think we have one coming up on Tradecaster, something like that. Maybe I don't know. We might go out to like Utah area, go golfing. But we'll have to go golfing sometime, bro. I know. Are you still in the area, local? I know these guys don't.
Yeah,
Yep.
I'm still local. Yeah.
Word up. That sounds good, my boy. I'll have to run it up.
Yeah.
Yankees are coming this season, bro. I gotta get ready. A couple of my buddies want to go, and last season I was not. Let's just say I was the same way, bro. If I did make contact with the ball, it just didn't go well, right? It would go left or right. But I really, the winter time and everything, I decided to take it a little bit more serious. So I just had a lot. Yep, and it's been, and I don't know. Once you, I don't know if you enjoy it now, but once you know get in, it's just, dude, it's almost addicting, bro. You know what I mean? It's like
I see a lot of golf. Golf is something that's been getting popular over the past years. Like a lot of as people grow older, they're getting into it. You know, like
right,
especially a lot of entrepreneurs too. Like a lot of traders and entrepreneurs. I see them. They like golfing on their free time as well. It's like something that's kind of like popular in that area.
Yeah, I see. That is very true. You know, you see a lot of you meet a lot of businessmen and stuff.
Yeah, because back when we were in high school, bro, you wouldn't see anyone go golfing.
Yeah, nobody was golfing. That was like, oh man, what?
Yeah, I went because I played soccer in college, and most of my teammates, they would go golf, and they would do it almost every day, a couple days a week.
Oh damn.
They didn't. Yeah, so it's something that we didn't see when we were in high school, but now I don't know what it is. People, as they grow older, they get more into it and fun to them.
Right.
They like doing it a lot.
Yeah, if you were part of the golf team in high school, let me tell you, you're printing now. So that was a good investment. It's like free golf lessons. I should have taken that up. Right. So, yeah, bro. Like, yeah, back then, but yeah, that's 100%. You didn't think about golf when we were in high school.
Yeah.
Man. We thought about football and all the tough sports. And now it's like, all right, bro, you're not putting me behind. You're not putting me in front of someone who's like 300 pounds. You know what I mean? About to stuff me in my face. It's not happening. All right, hold on. It's like, give me a driver. All right, let me show you what I do that. Or like, I don't mind. I still wrestle. So I don't mind wrestling. That's fine.
Yeah.
But it's so much. It's a lot more peaceful and relaxing. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's why I enjoy it. It's very nice. Yeah, bro. Yeah, very very different than going toe to toe half naked with a another man. You know, it's like, oh man, it's very very different. Right, bro. So, yeah, bro. Yeah, that is true though. A lot of rich men.
Yeah, it's gotta be peaceful though.
Yeah, it is, dude. It is. It really is. And so it's so nice because you get the scenic view, bro. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know why I never really thought it, because you get basically miles of green, right? A golf course is like what, like 9 miles? It's long, right? If you walk it, it is far. So you can get a workout. I mean, obviously, I take a car, right? I take a car. I'm not walking, but you know what I mean? But what is it? Yeah, it's very scenic, man. I mean, it depends what course you go to. It's like, they'll have like waterfalls and stuff, bro. Like they have like massive lakes and everything, and it's just you, the green. And depends on when you book your tee time. Sometimes it's just you out there. You know what I mean? You and like whoever you're playing with, right? So very nice. Yeah. Oh man, so it's the game plan. I will say it's an expensive sport though.
Oh yeah.
Expensive sport. Yep. I think that's why it goes hand in key with Good old entrepreneur. It's like, all right, well, I start making a couple bucks. I can start affording the tea times. Let me tell you. It's like,
Yeah.
you know. That's where
Yeah, it's a good area to make connections with and make business with, entrepreneurs and wealthy people because, that's where they go. Also, cigar lounges as well.
Oh yeah, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. So I don't know if you're still 19, but I don't know, the legal age. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I've never been able to
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. Yeah, I just turned 20, like, what, December 13th, a couple months ago.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, bro. So what? Is it still 21 for cigar lounges?
I think so.
Okay.
Think it is. Yeah, I never looked at it. I never actually figured out how old you have to be, but it probably is 21, just like a bar.
Right. Yeah.
You
Yeah,
search
dude.
it
I got a
up right
buddy.
now.
Yeah, he's a banker, and that's what he does, dude. Like every day in his
Yeah.
free time. Cigar lounge. I'm just like, all right, well, I'll have to go check it out. I feel like, yeah, because I feel like it's fun. I remember when I'm in Florida, so when I used to go to Florida a lot, I'd be walking in, like, the strip areas of, like, wherever the clubs are and stuff, and there would just be people
Yeah.
posted up with, like, hookahs, like, on the hookah lounges, you know what I mean? Just sitting there chilling out,
Yeah.
bro. So, like, that
Yeah.
that looks pretty cool, but, I don't think I can do a hookah. That's way too much nicotine for me. I'm like,
Me personally, I don't smoke anything. I don't do
Right,
weed,
yeah.
nicotine, cigars. I don't do any of that stuff. I like to keep my body clean.
Exactly, yo, same, dude. The only thing I'll do is, like I said, like a cigar. That's it. I don't
Yeah.
mind a cigar. That's about it. But
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
else, it gets a little crazy.
Yeah. Later on, maybe once I'm a millionaire, yeah.
Yeah, right. Once I can start smoking quality. He's like, yeah, buddy. Yeah, bro. No, that's
Like one of those big fat cigars that
Yeah.
the entrepreneurs usually smoke.
yeah, big Cuban, huh? Get a big one straight from Cuba, huh? There we go. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you, dude. Yeah, no, but yeah, definitely something. Yeah, see, I don't.
Yeah.
My main time to smoke something like that is only golf course. I used to stream, bro. I'd be sitting here streaming, just toking away. I don't care. But that's more
Yeah, yeah.
summertime because
Yeah.
my humidor and everything. I usually pack it up, I pack it tight, and I'll have like 40, 50 cigars in there. So I'm just like, all right, fuck it, dude. It's 10 a.m. Fuck it, But yeah, I mean, rather right now, dude. Yeah, it's definitely golfing, bro. I don't mind a cigar golfing. That's fun.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, yeah, buddy, chilling out, enjoying it. Q's, man, making a little bit of a double bottom. I like that double bottom. I truly do. I don't like S&P though, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It is. I think you called it personally. You said it exactly as it is. Chop City. So
Yeah.
that's what we got on the
Yeah,
day.
they like to fuck around a lot. They like to fake breakout one way and then the other, and then it's just we've seen it so many times, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, you see.
Like-
Yeah, you get a nice pullback. Yeah, dump, and then next thing you know,
I
it's
think
like,
it's
yeah.
boring.
I'm with you.
Yeah, the legal age for cigar. There's just a bunch of articles that pop up.
It's just like, well, technically, if you have a fake ID, it's like, they're like, oh man, just get yourself one of these.
All right. Yeah, it doesn't pop. It just brings me to the PA General Assembly. It doesn't give me a direct answer.
Oh, really?
It's a whole bunch of, yeah. It says individuals under 18 years of age are not permitted to attend. Cigars are sold, auctioned, or given as gifts, and cigars are featured of the events. I guess you got to be over 18 then. That's my
Now
guess.
I'm liking it. See, now that works, huh? Only 18, eh? Well, I can make that happen, all right?
Yeah.
All right, maybe I'll have to go check it out. See if there's one around. I don't even know if there is
A
one
bunch of
around.
articles though. Yeah, don't take me for granted. I don't know if I'm right or wrong because there's a bunch of.
Yeah, no, you're good. Yeah, I mean, honestly, when I more or less think about it, that's probably just should go. You gotta be 21 to smoke in general, so I don't see why it would be a
Yeah.
So big chilling out right now. I may be looking for a push here on the Qs. I'm taking a look at NVDA. It really looks like it depends on NVDA and what it does as well. it's respecting that 9-day rather well, so can't say anything about it. Can't do anything. Joe Fi hitting us with a yeah, buddy. What's up, buddy? What's up, my friend? Dude, let's turn on some more bobs here, man. Yeah, I feel like I'm falling asleep. The music I'm playing right now.
New, got to be.
Like, it's that old classic 80s. Oh, you like the tunes, huh? Okay. Well, we're gonna switch it up, Joe Fi. Let's see. We got the 1980s. There we go. I got you guys. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. So we are chilling out on the day, ladies and gentlemen, man. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Cranking it in. Getting it up there, man. Yup. Waiting and watching. So what time do you usually trade to?
Me, if I don't have anything to do all day, I'll literally be on my laptop all day.
Okay.
Market close.
Right.
But if I get bored, like price action is shitty, like right now, I'll trade till like maybe 12 or 11.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I think that's the same thing here. If this push doesn't come, I think I'll probably wrap it up, call it a day. You know?
Yeah.
So I'm with you on that 100%. Yeah, bro, because it's very slow. Very slow, very mild price action. Yeah, there's no real point.
Yeah.
Sitting around waiting. Yeah, buddy. So very small day today, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing crazy. One small trade on YM. Just tested the price action out. Didn't seem to like it too much. It was too slow for me. So I'm so used to NQ, S&P, NVDA. I tried the EMA strategy, and it's starting to set up a little bit here, but they're just not lining up really well. That and S&P, so it is gonna be hard. So yeah, buddy, it's gonna be hard for that to really play out. You want to play this or just general 80s? General 80s. It's the 80s mixed hit. So I got pure 80s bangers on, baby. So here's a little bit of that push coming in. I may take it, test the waters on it.
Order filled.
We'll see what happens with the NVDA here. If it continues its push, same thing with S&P 500 above that set point. I could see up to the 50-day. If not, it'll just sell back off, and we'll get more of a dumping.
Yeah, bro. I think I saw you yesterday. I was driving back from work. Yeah, I think I saw you in your car with your girl.
Yeah, buddy.
On my way home.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, dude, we were probably, I don't even know what we're doing, bro.
Yeah.
Coffee. Man, we usually go get like some espresso or something. That's how I stay alive around here, bro. Espresso shots. Right? It's like, yeah, buddy. Yeah, bro. What is it? On Spotify? No, YouTube. Here, I'll link it to you. I'll send the link. I'll send the link in the chat. Here we go. There it is. Starting to come back down a little bit here. I am in this. I'm thinking about cutting it very shortly if this thing doesn't bounce back up. It's just being a little cray-cray on me.
QQQ could be on a slow grind down just because it already broke the orb, and
Right.
it did fill this like little small gap in pre-market.
Yeah.
But it's just to me, bro. It's probably gonna be choppy all day. I don't like this. This is ugly.
Yeah. No,
Looks
I'm
like they right here. You see these last 3 candles. Look how they wick. They want to buy it up, but they're just keeping it there. It's just ugly.
Yep.
On SPY,
Yep.
what I was looking, the last 3 candles on the 5-minute, it's just super choppy. It's very low volatility.
Right. I'm definitely with you on that. I am big chilling out on it right now. I'm just waiting and watching to see what this play does. If yeah, like I said, I always take a look at like NVDA and some of these plays.
Yeah.
If they get a nice spike, rip and run, I feel like NQ will. But again, it has to happen with these plays.
Yeah,
right?
usually Apple has to make a big move for SPY to make one as well. Apple and Microsoft and Google as well.
Yep. Starting to come up a little bit more. If it can break that little downtrend it got going, it will probably take off. We'll see though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the other buddy? This is Angel, man. Angel's in the shot. He's here. He's an options trader. He's getting it in. We're just chilling out, talking, trading a little bit, getting it in, baby. So, yup. So, what's up? What's up, Spy Prob? Are we back in here? Anything for you? Nothing crazy. In a little bit of a trade right now. We'll see what happens right here. It's very choppy. Downside could come in and hit. I could see, but I do want to see if NVDA is going to hold up. S&P holding up. Could see, you know, a little bit of a pop, basically a U-shaped pattern come in. See if we can get back up to that 50-day. That given rate would be the sell. So starting to get a little bit of a push, but need to hold this push. Let's see if we can hold these highs up. Continue to push here, baby.
Looking at Bitcoin right now, it's consolidating on this 70,000 area, 70,200, around 70,000. 71,500 and 69,600 is consolidating right now.
You said 71.
Yeah.
There we go.
Well, right now it's at 70,000. Yeah, but it's consolidating right now after this big move.
Right.
After this big move over the past few days right here, because you know it. Did you see when it dumped? When Bitcoin dumped back down to like what 50, 60K?
Yeah,
it
bro.
was, yeah, 59K.
Yep.
Yeah, it recovered. It's up back up to the 70Ks now.
There we go. So, chilling out right now in NVDA. In NQ. Looking for a push here. Starting to get my push. Want to see it come up here. Here we go, baby. Want to see it hold these highs up. If we can break these highs here, come up to the 50-day. That's what I'm looking for, boys. Okay. So that's it. Chilling out. Looking for that 50-day push. See if we get that. A little bit of a pushito. Now, realistically, you can hit all the way up to the EMAs, the 200 EMA, but I mean that's that has to be a bit of a ripper there. Bit of a ripper runner. Yeah, W's in the shot. Yeah, right. Yeah. This guy. We are waiting and watching, baby. Let's see, baby. Come on. See, can I hold up on those highs? Need to take off. I'd love to see it close around 50. Close me around 50 here. Next candle form. Rip. Okay, near it. Let's see if we get it. I think S&P matters a lot. We gotta wait and watch, see what S&P does. NVDA, of course, as well. It looks like a reverse head and shoulders there.
Most big guys playing are yearly expiring. I mean, me being such a day trader, I would consider a few option play.
Getting up there. Starting to get up there a little bit, ladies and gents. Got my TP set. Gonna let it rock. TP set. Right around 60. Gonna let it rock. Do I think it can still come up? Yes. NVDA is breaking that trend line to the top side now. Love it. S&P 500 breaks a VWAP. It definitely can rip and run on you. So I could definitely see that play starting to pick up the heat. Pick up the momentum, some may say. Get up there, baby.
You and NVDA play?
NQ, yup. I just use NVDA. It's kind of that confirmation.
Gotcha.
Yep. So waiting and watching. Want to see it hold up here. Want to see it hold up and get that rip and run. It's right there, ladies and gentlemen. So if buyers can continue to step in. Open it back up. There we go. Buyers. Oh, S&P breaking VWAP. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Come on, baby. Let's see. Does it have the heat? Does it have the pressure? Does it have the firepower, baby? Nice slow song right now. Let's speed this song up. What we got here? Oh, we got a little ad. Let's see, baby. S&P 500 right at those highs.
It's which comes with peanut
S&P
butter.
500 right at those highs.
Duh.
So close. Got a nice little turkey ad here. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get your rip and run. Right up to the 50. Let's see it hit. Boom, baby. TP hit. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, there you guys go. So 1 play on the day. Well, 2 plays on the day. 1 and 1. Bada bing, bada boom. Quickie with it, baby. Now we are set and we are done on the day. Okay, let me tell you. Hands are off. YB's done. It's oh, man. So, and that's how quick it is, ladies and gentlemen. So, made back the L from earlier or whatnot of like 60 and then a little bit, obviously, you know, you guys see the P&L there. You guys see it, right? Okay, good. All right, good to go. It's nothing crazy on the day, dude. It's nothing crazy at all. So what made me get in this play, ladies and gentlemen? So I just hold on, dude. I got this really, bro. You should hear this music right now. I don't know if you can hear it, bro. It sounds like Holy Night, like Christmas edition, bro. Anyways, what is it? Yeah. So chilling out. What made me get in this play in the first place, ladies and gentlemen? All I saw was this big dumper room. Now I'm starting to see a W pattern, right? W pattern starting to form here. I knew that we could really, really hit here if we did get a pop above this view up, right? I knew that NQ could come up and spike because it was moving directly with the S&P 500 up to its EMAs. S&P 500 up to its 200 EMA was going to be NQ up to its 50-day. I knew that was coming in. Ended up getting along there. Held it out, held within. So I ended up getting long basically at 51 and then sold at, I got long at 52, sold at 60. So an 8-point move on NQ isn't really that much, right? So it's really not too much. You know, obviously $20 per $1 move. So 20 times whatever you want to do. You can do the math there. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen. So caught that, held the dip, bada bing, hit my TP, and I actually had a really good TP there. Damn, okay. So there we go. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. That is it for YB. So any more trades for yourself today, Angel? This market's looking pretty freaking ugly, dude.
Yeah. Maybe I might be looking for some puts here on QQQ just because of this lower low, as
Right.
well as it's holding resistance on the 200, the 200 and the 90 MA, as well as holding resistance on pre-market lows as well. So this could be a pretty good setup here. Nicely, I'm about to take some right now on paper trade.
Yeah.
We'll see how it plays out.
There we go. Yo, somebody in the chat just said this market's like YB. Bro, Joe 5, dog, you're banned, dog. Get out of the chat, dude. What are you saying? What? What does that even mean, brother? I don't even know. Okay. All right, Joe 5. All right, Joe 5. I get your drift now.
See if I can get a little small scalp here. If not,
Yeah, bro.
might
Yeah,
have to get-
yeah. 100%. And S&P hitting the 200 day. No, I get where you're at here.
yeah.
Oh, man. Take that as you want it. No, I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. Yeah, no, I got you. I got you. I'll take it as a compliment, Joe Fi. I'll take it as a compliment. Yep. So, yeah, buddy. So, guys, ladies and gentlemen, one thing I will do, Angel, if you're not already in, I'm going to add you into the LWB the server. So you're going to be in the LWB. That's Learn with Buddy. That's just a Discord thing I got going on right now for people to come in and, you know, get a little bit more one-on-one mentorship in a way, a little bit more personalized than Tradecaster with the big chats and everything. So it's kind of hard to really get that help in a way. So I'll add you into that. You know, I'll obviously, so you guys will be able to talk to Angel about any options help you may need. He obviously, you know, it seems as if, and as you guys have seen today, he knows his stuff and he's getting into it. And, yeah, so you guys can all learn together, and he's going to be here to help you guys out if he's, of course, up for that or whatnot. So whenever he's in there, whenever he can pop in, he'll pop in and you know, give you guys a little tips, give you guys some tips for runners up and stuff like that. So got you with the boy, baby.
Yes,
Cool.
sir, bro.
Yeah, buddy. So
Yeah, they're buying it up a little bit here. It might have gotten in a little bit too early.
yeah, bro. Yeah, actually, yeah, I was looking at NQ. Yeah, they are starting to come up a little bit more here.
Yeah, 20 seconds till candle closes. We'll see how it closes. If it wants to close under this 200 and 90 MA, I'll stay in my play. If not, I'll cut my lot for losses as well.
Yeah.
I'm currently in 445 puts with 3 contracts, and I'm down 15%. We'll see how this candle closes here. It looks like it wants to close under the 200 EMA.
Right.
It closed a little bit above that 200 EMA, so I'm taking a loss, closing my position.
Smart, discipline, man. I like it. Very disciplined. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, man. What was that on the Qs?
Yeah, on QQQ, yeah.
Q-
So
okay.
for now, I'm down $34 on the day
Okay.
on paper trading because I haven't been trading with real money for 2 months now because I've been doing other things. But I'm I'm not taking any more trades today. I'm just gonna close my laptop and keep hands off.
Yep, call it a day, right? Yep. At a man,
Yeah.
dude, and that's awesome. That's something a lot of traders can't do is just stop, you know what I mean, when they're down. So I'm glad you're doing that. I'm glad you're, that's one thing as well is you're very much so are you trading with the position side that you would trade if it was live money, right? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, yeah.
Yup. Yep.
Yeah, because I don't full pour, I don't wanna full pour my account, bro.
Yeah.
Like I usually take around five to 10 contracts. That's what I usually that's my positioning size, depending on how big my account is, of course. If it's like a $500 account, maybe I'll use like 2-3 contracts,
Right.
2-3 contracts somewhere around there. But if I would be trading with 1K, I'd use around 5-6 contracts.
Right. Yep. No, it's 100%. That's 100% understandable, bro. And
Yeah.
that's it. Because a lot of people, what they'll do, bro, they'll start up a paper account and then they'll have 100K, right? And then they'll start trading
Yeah.
with 100K, and then they go to live money and they're not putting 100K in their live account, and then
Yeah,
they,
yeah,
you know what I mean? It's
yeah.
completely different. So that's really good. You're fully developing and understanding the fact that hey, you need to trade the paper the same amount you're gonna trade your live money with, right? So that's
Yeah.
awesome, bro. Yeah, because that's something I know a lot of people don't do, bro. And especially when they're down, another thing is respecting that it's paper, right? Okay, hey, I know that
Yeah.
it's paper, I know that's not real money or whatnot, but like if this was, you would, you'd be down 30, or if you're up the same way, right? So it's not like,
Yeah.
oh, okay, I'm down $34, so I'm gonna full port this account and get back, up $200. It's like realistically, realize, you know what I mean? If it was live, you wouldn't do that. So it's like that's good. The
Yeah.
discipline's there, bro. So
Yeah,
135%. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'd love to see it, bro. So
Yeah, the hardest part about trading, remember this, is it's all psychological, right?
Yup.
It's not even the technical analysis and knowing how to use the tools and everything. That's the easy part about trading. The hardest part is always going to be your risk management and your psychology, because at the end of the day, your psychology is the one main factor that's going to come into play with every trade that you take, whether it's puts or calls, longs or
Yup.
shorts. It's being able to close your position at at a loss, like at a small loss. You don't want to hold that because it's gonna affect you even more. Like it's gonna hurt you more, right? So it's literally all psychological, and you gotta be able to learn how to be disciplined and master that psychological level to be able to become a profitable trader.
Right.
It's all psychological.
Right. Yup. And that's 100% true, man. And yeah, just like a trader, Joe Fi just said in the chat, yup. Literally anyone can do technical analysis. Like anyone can look at a chart and be like, oh, okay, I see what you're saying right here. But it's like when you get into the nitty gritty of, okay, am I gonna place a trade here? Right? It's like, okay, am I actually gonna make a trade here? What is my stop loss? Am I gonna respect my stop loss? Just like you said, you know what I mean? It's like it's exactly that right there. Everything is psychological. I always say that 90% is psychological, bro. Everything's in your head. So if you're not a profitable trader, anyone in the chat, if you're not a profitable trader, reconsider what you're doing outside of trading. Reconsider what you're doing in your day-to-day life, right? It's like, how are you living your day-to-day life, right? When you inflict those, not like if you say you're going to go to the gym and then you don't go to the gym, right? And you do that for a week straight. If you say you're going to do something and then you don't do it, well, you're not even disciplining your own word, right? It's like you're not disciplining your own word. So when it comes down to it, how are you going to be disciplined in the charts? How are you going to be able to take that stop loss? You have a stop loss set. You're like, oh, okay, yeah, I'm going to get out right here. And it's a mental stop loss, right? And it's not a hard stop loss, right? And then, that mental stop loss hits, and then you're like, oh, well, I'm going to let it run another 20 points or whatnot. And then now you're down, and then you're like, okay, I might as well throw this account away. And then it's like, bro, you know what I mean, dude? So it's like a lot of people need to understand like stop losses. They need to understand where to take profits. Another thing is risk to reward ratios, guys. So you have to have like if your strategy is like a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I don't prefer that at all. I prefer at least like a 1-to-3, 1-to-4, 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. Basically for every I guess you would say $1 you would lose, you would make $3 for every trade that you would win, right? So that's kind of what I like, at least, like I said, a 1-to-3 RR ratio. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure to take all that into consideration. But yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys have enjoyed the chats for the day, guys. Angel, where can they follow you at? Where can they find you at if they want to keep up with you, bro?
They can follow me on my Instagram.
Okay.
They can DM me if they have any questions or they want to ask me anything about options. It's Angel_Gabriel_704.
Gabriel underscore what do you say?
It's Angel_Gabriel_704.
7704. All right, Gabriel, Gabrial.
Yes.
All right. I just had to, you know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. There we go. Where is it? At Angel Gabriel 704, and then let me put on Insta. Yeah, buddy. So give me 1 second. Let me. Bada boom, bada boom. Oh, if I can find that one cursor, that'd be great. There we go. Okay. But I mean, Angel Gabriel, bro is from the Bible. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bro is holy. yeah, there we go. Yeah, bro is God's messenger. Oh, that's awesome. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, hopefully you guys have enjoyed the topic, man. I know I have today, bro. We'll have to run this back sometime, bro. So, yeah, man, we'll definitely run it back. This has been fun.
Yeah, I'll be down to hop on Thursday as well.
Word up.
If you're fine with.
Yeah, let's do it, man. Yep. We'll run it back Thursday. We'll get into it. We'll make a couple trades, get on it, man. So 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have all had an amazing day. So yeah, buddy. So I guess I'll see you Thursday there, Angel.
Sounds good, bro.
All right, take it easy, bro. Peace.
You too, man. Peace.
Ladies and gentlemen, Angel in the chat for you guys. So anyone who joins LWB, guys, I hope you guys are ready. He'll be up in there if you guys have any questions for options. He's been doing it for a couple years now. He is working on something rather big with a couple buddies from Cali, so he did have to take a step back on trading, just like a lot of traders do when they're working on something bigger. You don't want to be trading and losing money while you're trying to make a lot of money, right? So love you guys all. Ladies and gentlemen, hit me with a good yeah, buddy, in the chat. Get a little turn in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo, baby. I can't wait to see all you guys back here for that wacky Wednesday, weird Wednesday, whatever you want to call it. Pike's action tomorrow, baby. Take it easy. See you guys then. Peace.
Don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. Oh, you don't know how long I. It's on my mind, I guess.